This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook veggie kabobs in the oven. First, select your favorite colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Cut them into uniform 1-inch pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Next, marinate your vegetables for at least 30 minutes in a flavorful blend of olive oil, your favorite herbs, and spices. While they marinate, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for optimal cooking. Now that your vegetables are marinated, it's time to assemble your kabobs. Carefully thread the colorful vegetable pieces onto your skewers, alternating them to create an appealing visual. Remember to leave a small gap, about 1/8 of an inch, between each piece. This ensures that the hot air can circulate freely, promoting even cooking. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and arrange your kabobs in a single layer, ready for the oven. It's time to bake your delicious veggie kabobs. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to flip the kabobs halfway through the cooking time to ensure even browning on all sides. You're looking for vegetables that are tender crisp with a slight char, indicating they're perfectly cooked. If you've added any protein, ensure its internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Once your veggie kabobs are beautifully baked, carefully remove them from the oven. Allow them to cool for just a few minutes before handling, as they will be quite hot. These vibrant and flavorful kabobs are perfect served immediately as a delightful side dish to your favorite meal, or even as a light and healthy main course. For an extra touch, garnish them with some fresh parsley or cilantro before serving. Enjoy your homemade oven-baked veggie kabobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.